Today we are making a homemade Amul-like cheese spread, a healthy alternative made without preservatives, without additional flavors and without harmful additives. बिल्कुल घर का healthy protein packed spread. First step, in a pan take 1 cup makhana and dry roast it for about 5 to 6 minutes until they turn crisp and slightly golden. This will add a nice creamy nutty flavor to our spread. After the makhana cools down, we'll grind it into a fine powder. You can see I'm putting it into the grinder jar and making a smooth powder. Next, we have a bowl of boiled chickpeas. We will wash them properly. I'm adding water and stirring them. While washing, you will notice the outer skin of the chickpeas comes off. That skin has to be removed. We only need the inner chickpeas. Here is an example of how the peeling will be done. Now you see we've removed all the outer skins and the chickpeas are clean. I've kept them in a strainer so that all the excess water is drained out completely. Here is our makhana powder ready. Instead of makhana powder, you can also use nutritional yeast. But to keep this recipe more natural and healthy, I am using makhana powder. Now take the chickpeas out in a bowl. With the help of a wooden stick, start mashing them nicely until smooth. This step is very important for getting a creamy texture like market style cheese spread. Once mashed, we'll add our makhana powder to it. Again, if you don't want to use makhana powder, you can replace it with nutritional yeast. Now add 1 tablespoon thick curd or yogurt, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika powder and half teaspoon chilli powder. All these ingredients together will make our cheese spread flavorful and tasty. Time to mix it all together. To make mixing easier, add some water. It also adds that natural creaminess. You can already see the mixture turning smooth and creamy. It's getting the same texture as a store-bought cheese spread. And the best part, ये बिल्कुल preservative free है, no artificial thickeners and no chemicals. And that's it. Our homemade cheese spread is ready. Now let's spread it on a toast bread. Just look at how creamy and how easily it spreads. Absolutely market style but healthier. This is the perfect option for breakfast or snacks. A healthy, protein-rich alternative to the market-bought cheese spread, packed with chickpeas for protein, makhana for minerals and hung curd for probiotics. और सबसे बड़ी बात, no preservatives, no harmful additives, just pure goodness. So this was our homemade cheese spread recipe. Once you try this, you won't feel like buying the market cheese spreads again. You can store it in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and enjoy it with bread, sandwiches or as a dip. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more alternatives and homemade recipes.